Hi, Mom. Good day. My name is Jennifer Tom. I'm 46 years old. I'm single. I'm Roman Catholic. I'm Filipina. I have experience here in Hong Kong, finished contract, and then my first employer is from Fanling. Started from February 27, 2018 until February 27, 2020. um, 4 person, 2 adults, and 2 children. One is 12 years old girl, and then second is boy. This is autism. And then my duties and responsibilities is household chores, washing, cooking, ironing, car wash, and then also taking care, like sending to school, and then assisted them on their school homework, and then teach them the some educational activities, as especially the values, and then um, supporting and monitoring their healthcare needs, including administrating medication and temperature. That is my first employer. My second employer here in Tai Kok Choy, Kowloon. I'm starting from September 13 until September 13, 2024. My duties and responsibilities is um, uh, household chores, cooking, marketing, ironing, and then um, sending of daughter to school and assisting their homework, and then teach them the other activities, and then of course um, supporting the and monitoring the healthcare needs, like including administration medication and temperature. Thank you. That's all, ma'am. Bye.